Hello, my name is Karan Doshi and I'm a fund manager with LIC Mutual Fund. I have been associated with LIC Mutual Fund since 2019. Out here, I have got a privilege to manage aggressive hybrid mid-cap healthcare scheme and co-manage the dividend yield scheme. Our goal is to achieve a sustainable long-term wealth generation along with being responsive to the ever-evolving market conditions. In this part, we'll be talking about the aggressive hybrid fund. The aggressive hybrid fund is a mutual fund which invests typically in both equity and debt instruments. Typically out here, the equity component ranges from 65 to 80% of the total holding, while the remaining is invested into the debt. The primary objective of this fund is to provide capital appreciation through equity markets along with providing stability through the debt instrument. This is a balanced investment option that aims to capture the growth of equity markets while mitigating risk through the debt exposure. Our fund uses a bottom-up stock picking approach. We focus on companies who are market leaders or market share gainers, who are generating healthy cash flows and provide a sustainable long-term earnings growth. We invest into alpha generators in the mid and small cap space, which are high growth and high ROE profile. We prefer businesses which have leadership attributes along with high scalability at a reasonable valuation. So to conclude with, aggressive hybrid funds are a versatile option which aims to capture the growth potential through the equity instruments along with mitigate or provide stability through the debt instrument. These funds are typically suited for moderate risk tolerance level and people having a longer time horizon. However, as with any investment, it is crucial to do thorough research as well as know one's risk appetite and investment horizon before investing into any fund. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.